What's up, everybody? YouTube family, South Carolina, North Carolina, everybody abroad, worldwide. Welcome to my Carolina kitchen. This is Chef Anthony Albrittain, the Carolina cook, tasting, cooking, and eating the Carolinas. If you know the song.
This is the Carolinas, Cooking is my specialty. Getting dirty in the kitchen like ODB. Turning these groceries into delicacies. The Carolina cook got the recipe. The Carolina cook got the recipe. The Carolina cook got the recipes.
On this episode, y'all, I will be doing barbecue flanked ribs and pineapple salad. Let's get it. Let's go see how it's made. All right, I got a couple packs of flanking ribs. This cut is basically for Korean type barbecue. The English cut is for the American style of barbecue, but these are a lot cheaper and take a lot less time to cook, so I'm going with these today. If you want quick ribs, this is the way to go. All right, let me start on my brine. I'm gonna start by throwing some garlic cloves in it. This is my method of brining. It's a quick method where I pretty much bring it to a light boil along with the meat in there. Let's toss some sea salt in there as well. This way the meat is partially tenderized, partially cooked, which cuts down on the grill time and infuses the flavor into the meat. All right, now we're going to throw some whole peppers in there. I'm dropping about 2 bay leaves in there. Drop 2 cloves down on it. Now we're going to go ahead and drop these flanked Adam and Eves into the pot. Now I'm going to drop some Shire sauce in there. If you don't know how to pronounce Worcestershire, just say Shire. I'm dropping that Shire sauce in there. See, the thing about brine is I'm liable to throw anything in my brine. With that being said, I'm going to add some lemon juice. When life hands you lemons, make brine. All right, I'm adding 2 oranges cut in half, 1 onion cut in half, and 1 portion of pineapple. Okay, so while those ribs are marinating, go ahead and preheat this grill. Back on that gas grill again. Outside, look at the dirt flow. Y'all look like the clouds couldn't hold their bladder, so they pouring down on me right now. Good thing I left this grill under the shed though. Okay, now that I got my Adam and Eves drained, I'm going to go ahead and start oiling them up, getting them nice and coated for the seasoning that I'm going to put on them. I found this nice seasoning blend in Walmart that I'm going to give a try. A nice buttery seasoning blend. Butter is the chef's best friend. I'm going to add to it though. Let's put some soul food seasoning on it. There's no measurements required because just about everybody that barbecues knows that you just throw that seasoning on the meat and saturate that meat with the seasoning. Now, let's put some steak seasoning off on there too. Now, here's the seasoning I was talking about. It's the buttery steakhouse rub. Basically, it's just like, you know how you have the dry butter seasoning, like dehydrated butter. This is what it seems to be to me, what it looks like to me, with some herbs and spices in it. I've never seen this seasoning before, but I saw it in Walmart and I thought that it looked interesting. And just about everybody knows that butter makes meat better. So why not? I gotta give it to them. This is a good idea right here. This is an excellent idea on the seasoning. Very unique. First time seeing it. Y'all, it was raining pretty hard, so I had to cover the meat with plastic to transfer it from the house to the grill. And this is why you don't throw your plastic grocery bags away. They can double as a trash bag, as a head cover when it's raining, and in this case as a rib cover when it rains. Growing up hood has its benefits. You're sizzling, baby. Go ahead, baby. Sizzling, baby. Go ahead, baby. Y'all hear that sizzle? Sizzling like high sizzling. Let them go. Close the casket. Lord, I'm trying to let them go for like 10 minutes on each side, but of course I went a little over. Go ahead and flip them. I'm easily sidetracked. Look at that nice char. Ooh, I get the sample piece. Let me taste this little piece right here. That's delicious. I could eat them like this with no sauce. All right, I'm gonna let them go for about 10 minutes on the other side as well. Then we're gonna dip them in that Carolina Gold sauce and let them go. All right, y'all, it's time to get these things sauced up. Lord, that smells so good. I just love these flanking ribs, y'all. Look at how much of them you can pick up at a time, how fast it is to cook them. Look at that. You know, I think they're a lot better than English ribs. Get them sauced up and back on the grill. Show you how this goes now. It's already raining outside. Now I'm about to rain on these ribs. Don't need no brush around here. I'm gonna roll these ribs around in this. And we're gonna throw them back on the grill. But first, let's turn this side off. And I'm gonna sauce the ribs up and sit them here on this side. And let that sauce cook and smoke off in there the same way I did in the chicken video. All right, you're just gonna roll them ribs around in that sauce. Okay, y'all, so pretty much I'm gonna let the sauce cook into the ribs. So I turn one side of the grill off. The side that the meat is on is off. The other side is on. So I'm no longer applying direct heat, just enough heat to allow the sauce to cook into the meat. All right, y'all, what I'm doing with these pineapples, the pineapple that I have left, well, I ate some of it, and the one and of course some got dumped out that was in the brine, because that was no longer useful. But the fresh one that I have left over, I'm going to grill it a little bit, then I'm going to make a nice pineapple salad out of that. So stick around and see how that salad is made. All right, y'all, I think that's about as good as these ribs gonna get. That sauce has soaked down in there, smoked and cooked in there. I'm gonna go ahead and turn everything off here. Turn my gas off and all of that. And I'm gonna let these ribs sit here. Okay, what y'all didn't see while the sauce was cooking into the ribs was I made a store run, bought myself a cucumber, a green bell pepper, and a red onion for my pineapple salad. So let's go whip up this salad with a nice salad dressing. All right, I spared y'all all of the extras. Salad already made now. Julienne cut on the onions. Cut the cucumbers in half, the slices in half. Diced the pineapple up. Diced up the green pepper, and that's it. Nothing, no rocket science at all. And that's a pineapple salad. All right, now I'm about to whip up this dressing. It's real quick. Squirt some honey in the bowl. Squirt some lemon juice into the honey. When life hands you lemons, make a salad dressing. Now I'm going to drop a couple dabbles of white wine vinegar in there. There's no measurements on this dressing. You're making everything to suit your taste. Now I'm going to drizzle a little bit of crushed red peppers off in there. Now I'm gonna let a few shakes of black pepper fall off in there. Then I'm gonna sprinkle a little pitage of salt in there, whatever pitage means. Then you just whisk it up together with whatever you got to stir it with. And there you have it, a nice salad dressing with a nice refreshing pineapple salad. And those of you that are familiar with my videos, you know that I gotta hit you with a nice presented plate. Then we gotta go take some nice pictures of the plates. Ain't this such a vibrant thing? Let's appreciate it with some pictures. Poke your ribs out. You gotta poke your ribs out. Give me some ribs. Smile. Come on, man. Let's go ahead and drop this salad dressing onto this salad. All right. This is a pineapple salad with mint leaves, a mint leaf garnish, mint leaves in it, crushed red peppers. Y'all saw the ingredients. One thing I forgot, y'all, is that I added mint leaves into the salad.
Let's get into it.
And I garnished the salad with a sprig of mint leaves.
Let's give it a taste.
Got that plastic. Not talking about a credit card. Start with this salad. Pineapple, cucumber, red onion, green peppers, mint. You would not expect a mixture with onions and all of that in it and green peppers and stuff to taste this good. And the salad dressing is very delicious. All right, let's jump on these Adam and Eve ribs. If I can't say a word, I'll just wave my hand. That Carolina Gold is a winner every time, and that butter rub, all those flavors coming together. Pretty dope. And of course, that Carolina Gold barbecue sauce is the showstopper. Go back and check out my video on how to make this. Just remember, if you're not happy, you just might not be eating good. Like, comment, share the love, subscribe. Liketh, shareth thou the love, and subscribeth unto my channel, and smiteth that notification button. Thank ya.